Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, you want to remove a screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. First, if your case is covering the bezel, which is the dark line between the screen and the side of the phone, you should remove it because it shouldn't be on the screen, it should be only on the bezel part. Now, for the screen protector, if it's not applied properly or correctly and it's wrong, then I would recommend simply going over and just removing it. What we're going to do next is clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So we're going to give it a few swipes, few good swipes. Now it's shiny, and what we're going to do now is force restart the phone. So press the power button, keep on holding it, tap on restart, and tap again to restart. Now we want to enter the password and verify that it was us trying to restart our phone, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the password, and now as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So go to settings, go to INFINIX Note 60 Pro, tap on the check for updates button, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.